The diagram shows the air molecules in part of a sound wave at a particular moment in time, which statement is incorrect. Sound wave travels through air. Air molecules vibrate back and forth to travel sound wave. So we have two directions. These two directions parallel to each other. The direction of vibration of air particles is number 1, and the direction of the wave propagation, which is number 2. I'm looking for the incorrect answer. For C, this part of the wave is traveling horizontally across the page. This is right. For A and B, before X, we have a series of compression and rarefaction. Let me say that earlier, there was a compression, and once the wave passes, there is a rarefaction. So A and B are right. Incorrect one, this part of the wave is traveling toward the top of the page, because the direction of the wave propagation is horizontally, whatever from right to left, from left to right. So this is the direction of the wave propagation or wave motion, and the direction of vibration of air particles, which is horizontally to carry the wave motion. So the incorrect answer is D. See you next video.